little better images of the lead 4-volt battery take apart. On the left, we see the two cells within the 4-volt battery, each with 5 pairs of electrodes, lead oxide electrodes, and they are in parallel to boost the milliamp hours. Same for the other cell, and then the two cells are in series. 2 plus 2 volts equals 4 volts. Here in the center you see the lead electrode, and that's the anode electrode at the start of discharge. And on the right we have the lead oxide, which can be reddish to chocolate, and that is your cathode. We'll be doing scanning electron microscopic imagery with micro X-ray fluorescence to see what type of other metals are contaminants in the lead. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.